Look at this toy. Sure you like that? Theo, you like that? Huh? Ooh. Snuggle with your little hippo. Little hippo. Ooh. Wow, look at that. 3-month-old baby knows how to play a toy now, right? Hey, little hippo. Ooh. Look at this toy. They made it like a red heart to make it more attractive for a child. Every time it makes noise, they got Theo's attention. Hippo got Theo's attention. Look at that. Oh, a different song, right, baby? You can snuggle him, hug him. Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh, see, the little hippo loves you, loves you. Just need to press the heart button, baby, to make it noise. To make some noise. To make some noise, right? Make some noise. You're cuddling it. I know this side of this toy is for teething, right? For teething. See, this is good for like 3 months old and I think like 3 to 6 months, I guess, when the baby starts teething. See, it's a little critter's huggable hippo teether. Hippo teether. You see? Look at Theo. Theo, hug it, hug it, hug it, baby. Little hippo. Oh, he knows how to hug. Oh, see, the baby knows how to hug. Oh, you like it, baby Theo? Oh.
I love you.
Oh. Oh.
La la la, I love you. La la la, do you love me too?
Kissy, 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 kissy,
My
kissy.
heart is red.
Hug it, baby, hug it, hug it. Oh, you're excited. Oh, look at that, so hyper. Oh.
I love you.
I know, this age, baby really likes to suck their fingers or their hands.
I love you.
Oh. He's kissing it. He's kissing
I
it.
love you.
He's kissing it.
I love you.
Oh. Oh. You love that, baby ko? Huh? You love that? Oh. Okay, little hippo. Let's say bye-bye now. Let's say bye-bye now, little hippo. We gotta go. You can play with Theo instead. We should bye to our friends. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Theo. Bye-bye. Oh, no. Why are you hiding? Oh. He's playing with his toy. He really likes it. Oh, no. He knows how to press it now. Oh, there you go. Now you know how to use that teeter side. Oh. I know. Oh, look at that. La 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 la. He still likes his hands to suck. Oh.